I'm joined now by members of the Ouachita Parish Health Unit. We've got Jeff Toms, who's the Regional Administrator, Jennifer Creed, who's the Health Unit's Nurse Manager, and Shira Tolliver right here in the center. She's the Disparities Social Worker. Guys, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
So you guys have an event that's coming up, and it's something that people need to know a lot about. We talked about it outside of here, but I mean, and I made the joke about it, you know, it's like we're back in the 90s, but it's never left us. HIV is still here.
Correct. It's still here, and numbers are rising. Since COVID, we've noticed an increase in numbers of positivity rates, and that is the reason why we are holding the event, to bring awareness as well as to give the community an opportunity to take advantage of free testing, as well as to share resources with them as to how they can receive treatment and the locations that those are.
Now, I mean, obviously you guys are all experts in your area. Why is it so important for people to know their status?
It's important to know your status so that you can receive treatment. It's important to know your status because without knowing your status, you could also run into other health complications. So by knowing your status, you have the opportunity if you are positive, there's medications that you can take that will make you become undetectable. Okay. And if you're undetectable, you're untransferable. Okay. You can't transmit it.
I mean, regardless, always safe sex, first step to protecting yourself.
Right.
Now, Jeff, tell me more about this event. Like, what day is it happening, what time? Give me those kind of details.
It's on Wednesday, December the 28th. It's from 12 noon to 6 p.m. We've had a team that's just really worked really hard to put this together. And this is, like I say, these are just 3 members of the team, 2 other members of the team that's put this on. But other health units have gotten involved by doing door prizes. There's going to be guest speakers, still lining up entertainment, and it's just going to be hopefully a fun event. Even talking about doing some karaoke. So it's really hope that the community will get behind this and come out. And it's just one of the goals that we have at the Office of Public Health is to not only increase awareness of risk factors in HIV rates, but also where to be tested, where to get treatment, and the information that Shira brought up about the PrEP to hopefully reduce future infections.
Now, you kind of talked about, you know, the collaborative effort. Jennifer, could you share more about like what it took to put this together?
So we had quite a few people from all different programs come in, and we met and planned. We went out in some of the schools and met with the nurses. We got some of our other health units involved to provide some of our raffles that we're going to be raffling off, and we worked with GoCare. They provide treatment for HIV, and so it took a few visits, just a few meetings, just to talk and get everything worked out.
So a lot of work to get this kicked off, and obviously the good work that you guys are doing. Tell us one more time, Shira, what time, what date, where do people need to come?
Okay, you need to come to your local health unit in Ouachita Parish, which is located at 1650 DeSere Street. We will be there on December 28th, right, from 12 p to 6 p.m. It's going to be a fun event. It is focused on HIV, but we will also be offering COVID, flu, and monkeypox vaccines. So it is for the entire family, entire demographics. It's not just focused on one set of the population. Everyone is affected by this, so come out and have some fun.
And the HIV testing is rapid testing, so you get the results back within a minute.
Okay, wow. Well, that's good to know. All right, guys, thank you so much for